So the thing is, the results in your life right now, it is actually based on your...
Sir, bakit lagi niyang nauuna?
Iyan yung wala kayo eh. When I always talk about money, I want you to dig deep. When I talk about money, pumipitik ka, dalawa lang yan. Wala kang pera, may utang ka, or may maling meaning sa'yo yung pera. Mahalaga healthy ka, malakas ang katawan mo because you will only enjoy the money that you have if you are healthy. We are trying to be superheroes. Tayo pala'y nangangailangan ng tulong pero tulong tayo ng tulong. Or tulong tayo ng tulong with the expectation that they will appreciate us pero hindi natin ma-receive yung appreciation. Either maling tao yung pinipili mong tulungan or ina-appreciate ka naman di mo lang ma-receive. Yun yung reason why hindi natin makuha yung gusto natin. Kasi tama naman ata pala yung ginagawa mo. Tapos hindi mo maintindihan ngayon kung tama talaga kasi hindi mo makuha yung fulfillment na gusto mo. But what you don't realize is you have to transform within. Of course, dahil sa Willid pala, no? Alam ko si Jeff, ang tagal na niya nag-iisip. Pero nung makalabas ng Willid, saka nag-decide, Stakis na Stakis. Jeff, thank you. Congratulations. Tapos iniisip ko pa nagtanong pa siya sa akin sir, ano bang ibig sabihin ng major decision? Sa isip-isip ko, hindi kasali yung Stakis doon. Okay? Pag Stakis go agad, no? Alright, but yeah. Supposed to be, tonight, we're gonna have exclusive training for members only, di ba? Normally, it's the skill set. But since kaka-graduate lang ng Willid, I wanna go back to the essence. Kasi yung katawan ko nasa Willid pa, kaya nagputing pantalon ako para medyo maiba, no? But I'm still there. And I think it's proper timing for us to understand more how important this is. Okay po ba tayo? Alright? Talaga yung jargons nasa utak ko pa rin no? But we're gonna talk about the importance of transformation. I'm gonna be completely honest. This is the main reason why there are people na hindi nakakarating sa gusto nilang marating. Sad to say, there are people na nawala na sa mundong to without achieving their goals. Without achieving what they want. Marami sa mundo nakasakay lang ng Maybach or limousine nung patay na. Marami sa mundo na nawala sila sa mundong to na hateful. Hindi maganda yung quality ng buhay nila. Are you with me? Pag-uusapan natin, gaano ka-importante yung transformation at paano mag-transform. Alright? And I'm gonna be completely honest with this one. Tayong mga tao, well, tingnan mo katabi mo, para sure. Tao ba yan? Tao naman, okay. Chinek talaga nila, Pinagdadahan pa, no? Alright, so, well, don't resist nga, no? So, most of us, guys, who you are is actually a byproduct of what we call patterns. Okay? And this is actually related to the success blueprint, no? Kung ano ka ngayon, naka-pattern na yan. There's a pattern in what we do. There's a pattern in human behavior that when you understand, ang daling malaman kung malungkot yung isang tao. Ang daling malaman kung hindi siya okay. Ang daling malaman kung may pinagdadaanan siya. Alright? Simple things, simple body language, and it's a beautiful language that we all have to learn. Kaya lang, masyado tayong self-centered. Alam niyo yun, masyado tayong self-absorbed. So, hindi mo ngayon makita yung pattern ng ibang tao kasi masyado kang nakafocus sa sarili mo. Right? Most of us, hindi natin makita yung ganda ng ibang tao kasi masyado tayong nagmamaganda. Diba? Right? Hindi mo makita yung beauty nung nasa paligid mo because you're too focused on yourself. Same goes with this one. Tayo, may sarili tayong patterns. Right? And we have a pattern of choices, pattern of decisions, pattern of thoughts, patterns of emotions. I'm gonna give you one example. Sino dito naranasan na magka-jowa? Kawawa naman yung iba. Hindi ko alam kung ayaw nyo na umamin, no? No? Mababa, buwan na lang sa Amerika. Alright. Okay, so, ano yung team song? Baka Rise Up yan, ha? Bago yung team song. Alright, example, there's a team song, right? Ang team song, for example, To be, mukha kang tutubi, right? It's an amazing song, good song. Pag naririnig mo, nami-miss nyo yung isa't isa, right? Wag naman, no? Nagbilid na kayo Halimbawa na lang, nag-away, 1 month din nagkita, 2 months din nagkita. First month, nami-miss. 2 months, pag naririnig mo yung kanta, naiirita ka na. Kasi naging bagong pattern na siya. Are you with me? So there are songs na pag naaalala mo, pag naririnig mo, may meaning sa'yo. Because it's part of your pattern. I'm gonna give you another example. Can you guys do this? Yung ano? Alright? So, baliktaran mo nga. Baliktaran mo nga. Baliktaran mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, alright. So, yung iba, medyo mabagal. Yung iba, hindi. Kasi yung unang salpak niyan, yun yung pattern mo. Alright? Sino dito ang kanan magsulat? Try mo nga yung kaliwa. Di ba it's hard? Because it is your dominant hand. Kasi yun yung pattern mo, nasanay ka doon. Are you with me? Pag nagtututbrush ka, sino dito yung nag-a-analyze pa? Sa sobrang overthinking mo, no? Tama ba yung amount? Na pag ngiti mo, tumatalaba, whitening daw to, ba't ang dilaw? Alright? Wala na, hindi mo na ino-overthink yung pagtututbrush because it is part of your pattern. Are you with me? So the thing is, the results in your life right now, it is actually based on your patterns. So ibig sabihin, translate natin, meron kang resultang gusto. Okay? Meron kang result sa pera, obviously. Sir, bakit laging yung nauuna? Yan yung wala kayo eh, di ba? Joke lang. Hindi, seriously. Guys, ganito. When I always talk about money, I want you to dig deep. When I talk about money, pumipitik ka, dalawa lang yan. Wala kang pera, may utang ka, or may maling meaning sa'yo yung pera. Alright? Hindi ka naman makakarating dito ng walang pera eh. Guys, let's be honest. Huwag na tayo magpaka-epokrito, Hindi ka kakain ng walang pera. Alright? Hindi ka makakapagpagupit, hindi ka makakapagpakulay ng buhok, hindi ka makakapagbili ng... Alam mo yun, hindi mo pwedeng pagdating mo dito, suot mo, dahon ng gabi. Kahit ba hindi tinatalba ng tubig yun di ba? Wala. So, bottom line, pera mahalaga. Alright? So, I want you to dig deep din. Baka mamaya, pera na naman. Yun tayo eh. Di ba? Pag marami kang pera, yan, tama. Ganun kayo, no? Now, results, we want money. Of course, we also want health. Mahalaga healthy ka, malakas ang katawan mo because you will only enjoy the money that you have if you are healthy. So very important na inaalagaan natin kalusugan natin. Next, mahalaga sa result natin yung tinatawag na fulfillment. Right? And initially, marami ditong naghahabol ng fulfillment. Right? Sino dito yung before we lead? Kasi kakagraduate nyo na, alam ko iba yung mindset nyo ngayon, no? But sino dito yung before we lead naghahabol kayo ng fulfillment? You are trying to help people, no? Either we are trying to be superheroes, tayo pala yung nangangailangan ng tulong pero tulong tayo ng tulong, or tulong tayo ng tulong with the expectation that they will appreciate us pero hindi natin ma-receive yung appreciation. Either maling tao yung pinipili mong tulungan or ina-appreciate ka naman di mo lang ma-receive. Alright? And ang gulo ng mundo mo, it's because tama pala yung ginagawa mo, kaya lang may maling pattern ka, kailangan mo mag-transform pero hindi mo tuloy ma-receive. Yun dapat mong ma-receive. Are you with me, guys? Yes. So, yun yung reason why hindi natin makuha yung gusto natin. Kasi tama naman ata pala yung ginagawa mo, tapos hindi mo maintindihan ngayon kung tama talaga kasi hindi mo makuha yung fulfillment na gusto mo. But what you don't realize is you have to transform within. Are you with me? Okay? Nakaya pa na nasusundan? Alright, kaya pa ng mga memory card. Okay. Upgrade nyo na kasi yung utak nyo, no? Joke lang. Next is relationships. We all want better relationships, of course, no? And we cannot do that by pleasing people. And sa mga nagwilid na discover mo,
Yung relationship pala sa ibang tao, kailangan maayos mo na yung relationship sa sarili ko. Ngayon, naintindihan ko na yung training. Sinasabi ni Sir MJ, relationship muna sa sarili, yung pala yun, magwilid muna.
alright? So, bottom line, when you grow as a person, when you are able to transform, that way, yung relationship mo magbabago. It will drastically improve. And of course, time freedom. Ngayon, naiintindihan nyo na rin na you cannot leverage without asking for help. Hindi ka magle-leverage at makakapag-create ng sistema kung hindi ka hihingi ng tulong at wala kang katulong. No man is an island. Kahit gaano ka kagaling, you have to develop a system, yeah? And of course, God. Because we always put God above success, above the results. Kasi siya yung nagbibigay sa atin yan. Right? Raise the roof. Alien! Okay, so...